I will do it before the beat, yeah.
Wait a minute.
Yeah, almost as if it is before the beat. But you can, of course, also follow the rule that you make an appoggiatura of a 16th note and make the trill a 16th note. You can do that also. Jam tati tam. You can do that also, but I prefer yam tam tri tam, so that you hear the dissonance very clearly.
And in this case, what's the dissonance between between the A flat and the B natural?
Yeah, you go from the A flat to the B natural, yes. See, so the C is already actually an appoggiatura.
Oh, I see.
So, and that is also why I really think that I have to study that more in Newman. But so I really think that can simply be a trill from the main note. Jam ta ti dum. Yeah, but we are so little used to it, so